Now sending documents through email is an old method. CompuGST provides a facility to import data from Tally or Excel sheet. Following is the process which will help you a great deal in sending the data to your consultants. Download CompuGST export utility from our website, that is www.computexonline.com. Double click on downloaded file. Before running this file, you need to close Tally if it is already running on your computer. It will ask you to select tally.exe. For that, click on OK. Now select the tally.exe from where you run your Tally. As you select tally.exe, it will give a message for successful installation of export utility. Now open the Tally and on the main screen at the bottom, you will find a new option named as Send Data to CompuGST. Before starting the export of data to your chartered accountant, you must prepare following information. First, take the printout of Tally trial balance. Then on each item, mark GST rates which is applicable on the item. And if GST is applicable but input credit is not allowable, then mark them with different identification as per your convenience. Second, in case if you have created any group manually, then on ledger created under this group, you are required to mark the GST rates applicable on each item. Also, mark if GST applicable but input credit not allowed. Assure that all expenditure or service account which are eligible for input credit or reverse charge should be opened separately for each rates. As in office expenditure account, we book mixed type of expenditure. But now this should be classified according to GST rates applicable. There should be separate account for each rate. For example, office expenditure account with 5% rate and 18% rate, both are required to maintain separately. For sending the data, click on Send Data to CompuGST. It will show the period for which data is to be sent. You can change the period. It will ask you for professional consultant ID. Ask your CA for his consultant ID. This you require to field only one time. It will also show other relevant information. Now click on Proceed. Now a screen will open to map some information. First is voucher type mapping. In case user has manually created his sales, purchase, credit note or debit note vouchers with different names in Tally, following screen will open to map these vouchers with default vouchers. For example, an organization opens a ledger GST sales. If it is maintained under sales in GST, there is no mapping required. But if it is created as voucher, then it is required to be mapped with sales. Then tax ledger mapping. In non-GST compliance software, there is no ledger related to CGST, SGST or IGST. Create this ledger under duty and taxes in Tally. Software will try to map them automatically with intelligence. However, you should verify them. Then outward service mapping. There is no bifurcation between goods and services yet. By default, software will assume goods. If any item is related to sales of services, then tick against that item. Now input credit mapping. Presently, expenses has no marking whether they are eligible for input credit or not. Check the box of expenses which is eligible for input credit. Now comes to stock item mapping. In this screen, details of all commodities and services will be displayed for marking HSN code and rate of tax. Remember, this screen will be shown if you maintain tally account with inventory. This list includes both the sales and purchase items. Here it is important to mention that in case of purchases where your supplier is not charging tax due to any reason, you are required to mention applicable rates of GST as per GST Council. This will help in determining reverse tax, etc. You can search commodity by using search option. Also, you can use PDF files issued by CBEC to search GST rates of goods and services. In case tax rate is 0, then software will treat the commodity or service as nil rated. However, user can select it as exempted or non-GST from the given drop down. In case multiple commodities or services exist on which same rate of tax are applicable, then use copy paste features given on screen. How to use copy paste feature? Select the rates which are to be copied. Then select the row in which user want to paste the copied data. Then paste the data here. And if user want to paste copied data in selected range, then copy the data first. Select the starting row of the range. Then press shift. Then select the last row of the range and paste the data. Then last option is to fill the GSTN number. Here you can fill the GSTN number of parties where they are not available. After filling the same, click on Transfer Records to CA to finally send the data to your CA.